Marshall University is helping to address a shortage of mental health professionals in West Virginia schools. With us today, we've got Lucia Meyer and Ashley Thaxton to tell us about a grant helping graduate students in fields like counseling, social work, and psychology. So we're going to start with Lucia. Talk to us about this grant and what are the main objectives?
Of course. So Marshall University received a 5-year grant from the U.S. Department of Education to address the school mental health workforce shortage in West Virginia. So we're currently in year 2 of the grant, and what this grant does is it supports cohorts of graduate students seeking careers in school counseling, school social work, and school psychology by providing scholarship benefits in exchange for a commitment by the students to work additional years in a West Virginia school when they graduate.
Oh, that's
So through this exchange, we're really hoping to increase the number of school-based mental health providers in our state.
Yeah, I was going to say, that sounds great. Talk about a little more about the funding that you're able to provide to these graduate students.
Yeah, so we're able to provide so many different benefits. One being a tuition scholarship to students for up to $10,000 per calendar year. Then when students begin their internship, we can provide them an internship scholarship up to $32,000. So this allows students not to worry about having to work an additional job while they are working to complete their internship hours during their program.
Yeah,
We also have money set aside to provide students with a travel stipend up to $5,000 if they have to travel to rural areas during their program.
Yeah, that makes a big difference if you can just focus on your studies and not have to do a couple of jobs to support yourself through school. And that's also, I'm sure, welcome news to the parents of these students. So how does supporting students really help the communities and the mental health services that you all can offer in schools?
Yeah, so almost all counties in our state have shortages of school-based mental health professionals across the 3 disciplines. By providing funding opportunities to graduate students pursuing these careers, it will increase the number of providers in our schools. So that means our high-need communities will eventually have more providers offering services to students in K through 12 grades, which will increase the accessibility for our youth to receive mental health services. So while this grant is supporting Marshall graduate students financially, it will consequently have a positive impact on schools and communities throughout the state.
Yeah, well, Ashley, we want to hear from you now. Talk to us about what has this meant for you? What's been the impact of receiving this grant on your life and your academic journey?
So this grant has been absolutely amazing. Like, it is such a blessing. It truly is. It had a significant impact on not only my personal life, but my academic journey as well, because it provided a full stipend for my internship and a travel stipend as well. So this allowed me to focus more on my internship and my studies without worrying so much about financial stressors like childcare costs and things like that. I was able to graduate in April with my master's in counseling, and I know that this grant played such a huge role in that. And I'm currently in the hiring process right now to be a school counselor, and whenever I sign a permanent contract, then I will receive a sign-on bonus through the grant.
Oh, that's amazing. That's wonderful. Okay, so what advice would you give to potential applicants, and how do they even apply for it?
Yeah, so I recommend anyone considering applying for this grant to contact me via email for more information. And then potential candidates to apply, they must first be accepted in an eligible graduate program, which again includes the school counseling, school social work, or school psychology programs. And then once admitted, they can then apply for the grant on our website.
Oh, this is wonderful. It sounds like a win-win, not only for the student, but also for the students in the schools that they're going to be out there helping. So Lucia and Ashley, best of luck to you. Thank you all for talking with us and sharing all this information.
Absolutely.
Thank you for having us.
having us.
Yeah.